Hey everyone, welcome back to the iMyFone channel. iOS 18 is out now. However, do not update your iPhone until you do this one thing. Back up your data. iOS updates aren't always perfect. If there's an issue when you update your iPhone, and it says you need to restore it, you're definitely gonna want to back up. Otherwise you could lose all the data on your iPhone. Here are 3 methods for backing up and restoring data. You can choose according to your needs. Way 1, using iCloud to back up data. Open Settings. And tap on your name at the top of the screen. Then tap iCloud. And tap Keychain. Make sure this switch next to iCloud Keychain is on. Tap back to iCloud upper left-hand corner of the screen. Then a one above Keychain, tap iCloud Backup. Make sure the switch next to iCloud Backup is on. Then tap Backup. If you don't want to back up my iPhone to iCloud, or you don't have enough iCloud storage space, you can back up your iPhone using a computer. Keep watching. iMyFone Fixppo can help you back up data with one click. Connect your iPhone to PC. Download Fixppo from description below and open it on your PC. Click Backup Data and then wait until it finished. After the backup is complete, your data will be stored in Fixppo. When you want to restore the data, you can simply use Fixppo for one-click restoration, after you have completed the data backup. So easy and quick, right? Way 3, using iTunes to back up and restore data, complicated. First, connect your iPhone to PC. Step open iTunes on your PC. Totally get to that, tap this phone icon that appears to the right of music. Sort of at the top left of the screen. Just tap Backup now to back up the phone. If you want to restore your data, go to the Restore Backup page in iTunes. First, I will show you where your data is stored. Hold down the window and R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type in %appdata% and hit Enter. Navigate to Apple Computer Mobile Sync. And open the backup folder. The backup we created should be the most recent one. Then open the iTunes page, click on Restore, select your latest saved backup file, and you can restore it. Alright, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share them with your friends. See you next time.